Hello dear fans. How to connect a frequency converter. Frequency converter is designed to change the frequency of the voltage supplying a three-phase electric motor. In addition, it allows you to connect such an electric motor to a single-phase network without losing power, which is unattainable when using capacitors for this. Instructions. Step 1. Place a circuit breaker in front of the frequency converter with a current rating equal to the rated current draw of the motor. If the converter itself is designed to operate on a three-phase network, use a special triple circuit breaker equipped with a common lever so that if one of the phases is short-circuited, the rest are also de-energized. Its operate current must be equal to the current of one phase of the motor. If the converter is designed for single-phase power supply, use a single automatic machine designed for 3 times the current of one phase. In all cases, do not turn on the machines and a break in the neutral or grounding wire, connect them directly to the converter. Do not operate the system without grounding and do not use the neutral conductor as a grounding conductor, and vice versa. Do not switch on the machine until the connection work is completed. Step 2. Connect the phase wires from the inverter to the corresponding terminals on the motor. At the latter, first connect the windings with a delta or star, depending on what voltage is generated by the converter itself. There are 2 voltages indicated on the motor. If the one produced by the converter corresponds to the smaller of them, use the delta connection scheme, and if the larger one, connect the windings with a star. Do not connect the neutral wire to the engine at all, but connect the ground wire to its body. Step 3. Place the control panel supplied with the transmitter in a convenient location. Connect it to the device with a cable in accordance with the diagram provided in the instructions for the converter. Step 4. Set the handle on the control panel to 0 position and turn on the machine. Press the power button on the remote control, and an indication should appear on it. Turn the handle slightly so that the engine starts to turn slowly. If it turns out to be rotating in the wrong direction, press the reverse button. Then use the crank to set the desired speed. Please note that the indicators on the consoles of many converters do not show the engine speed in RPM, but the frequency of the voltage supplying the motor in hertz. When the frequency decreases, they automatically reduce the voltage to prevent burnout of the windings. Thanks for watching.